I watch you guys what's it called, videos on YouTube. I actually laugh a lot. I took my time one day. I watched almost all the series. I watched Bookie's one. I watched Shola's own. I don't really know a lot of people, but I watched one other guy, a photographer. So I watch his as well. Quite cool. But I hope these are not for me. You know me, I'm a special guest now. Even if I fail, nothing do me. You just cut that place out. Like you don't understand. But because I see, me telling you that I went to YouTube to watch you people's video. I know your style. I know your style. But between me and you know, hey, so between me and you now, in case in future it happened that you ask me something that I don't know behind closed door, no, during editing you just cut that place off. Of course, don't worry. I'll drive it. See me. Can you imagine? Well, like she fall my hand. I don't do naira. I do pounds. I do pounds. Eh? How can you be collecting 50K for what? I do pounds. You know.
Okay, let's do pounds now. 1,000 pounds per question.
Nothing do me. Please, let me tell you people something now. Forget all those things you see on Instagram. I don't know who. Like, I don't know who. So, I am telling you now. Forget all those things you see on Instagram. This woman sitting down here, I don't know who.
They're not questions for you. I'm not doing scholarship test here or test to travel.
Hey, that's how you people will be saying. See, you don't know whether my village people follow me here today. I am not sure.
But even if you know, you can't get it.
I am not sure.
Just fun random questions. So you answer.
But who knows? I might conquer out the questions correct. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Hello everyone, my name is Rukayat Yaya and I'm the founder of TAMIRAH Fabrics, TAMIRAH Digital, TAMIRAH Wellbeing Initiative and the latest on the board, MC Tamira. So guys, I am live for my session for Telly trivia questions and you guess what guys? I am super duper ready. Emma, one question here because I am about to kill it. So, whose face is on the 10 naira note? Oh, I already told you people. I said I don't know book. Because you see this body that is sitting down on this chair. Two don't drop. And when those pikin drop, they don't collect all the things inside this head. Is it? Wait, Inamji Azikwe. Hey, whoa! Ha! Village people follow me here. My life outside. So, don't let me further embarrass myself. There's no difference between this and alcohol. What year did the Titanic movie come out? Okay, let me calculate. But wait a minute. 1990. Titanic. I watched it then. I even cried. Like a baby. And I was still small. 95. Gun gun. 93. Gun 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 gun. 91. 98. 2001. 97. Gaga 97. Thank you. Five Nigerian designers, clothes, shoes, clothes. Okay. Yomi Casual. Why am I even going far? Girls have some styles. She's a designer, Monakai. Yes. Fat fashion. Yes. She is a designer. Queen's Couture. Yes. That is a designer. I know designers now. Scarlet Designs. Wait. Please rewind back to that Scarlet Design. Did you guys see the clothes I wore for the Elite Vibe Award red carpet host? Scarlet Design made the baddest designer in town. Okay. Nicole Stitches. Oh God. Another one. Is it 5? Or I should mention one? Should I go far when I have them in my backyard? I beg. What's next? What piece of clothing do you spend your money on the most? Me. I don't stress myself. You see, when it comes to bag, I am not a freak. Even if I have bag, once I carry one bag, that bag will suffer for the next 3 or 2 months on a school bag thing, back to back. But you see, what I actually spend my money on is on my clothes. I can carry one bag throughout the week, but I cannot wear one clothes repeatedly. Like, I can't even wear the clothes I wore today, tomorrow. It might not even happen that I'll still wear it throughout the upper week. So I think it's my clothing. Yeah, that one is for sure. Confess something you did as a child or when you were younger. You know the funniest part? Growing up, I was a fantastic child though. I don't steal. I really lie. Let me see. As a child, what did I do? That thing still affects me till adulthood self. Always very straightforward. But I think there's something that I did that nobody knows. Confess something you did as a child or when you were younger. This my life is quite boring. Very, very boring. Let me see. Let me actually even think of that thing that can be that absurd for people to hear. Anything basbos. Actually, it was not me though, because me, I'm always in the middle of all the basbos. But I'll give you people a gist of one. My elder sister and my elder brother. I think it was my elder sister. There was one time my mom used to buy cheese in the house, and we noticed that the cheese was always missing. It's that circle cheese that is always in triangle, you know. So it's always missing. And that time my mom was not like, okay, everybody, try to watch the next person in the house to know the person that always go to the fridge and take the cheese. So I think then that day my sister went to the fridge to take the cheese, and I caught her. And she as she picked the cheese from the fridge, and the next time I was shouting was, "If you move, I will shoot. If you move, I will shoot." And she held the cheese like this, and she just gampamobe. I think that was one of the most absurd thing. Like, I know that okay, my childhood, like we still make jest of that up till today. So that one day, but other way around, not still me. I'm always just in the middle of it all. What color do you get when you mix blue and yellow? Hey, see, I already told you people, I don't know book again. Like, I don't like it. Blue and yellow. Don't worry. I don't want to say it. Just give me. Thank you. How many size does a decagon have? 10? Òṣè 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 ìwé ṣì wà lórí díẹ̀ kò tí gbàkárà lọ o ọpẹ́ o. Never ever laugh at the wrong moment. Plenty times. See, that one day, as in, there was one time when I was doing my white collar job. I think we were in a meeting, and I think my boss or somebody said, no, it was not my boss, it was somebody else in that meeting that bang. Honestly speaking, I didn't know when I started laughing, so I just had to caution myself, like caution myself. Never have I ever cheated on my partner. Me, I'm not on that table. You see me, I am a loyalist to the core. Like when you say core to a fault. And I'm actually too straightforward that I always tend to put myself in other people's shoes, because if my partner cheat on me, like to chatter the heart. So I think that's what I always think about. If I can't afford to dish out something I can't take, and that has always guided me to do some certain things. Whatever I know that if I do it to B, no, if B does it to me, how will I feel about it? I will never dish it out to another person. So that cheating table, never there. Never have I ever lied to a customer. I have. Sent it over. You see, but don't judge me yet. You see, before I don't lie. Before, but now I realize that there are some lies that you lie, but it doesn't mean that you are a bad person. There are some lies that it is compulsory lie and has to happen. You see, there was one time a customer purchased, I think, fabric from me, and I did not send it on time. Immediately, I didn't send it that day that she ordered for it, and I already promised I was going to send it immediately to Lagos. So it was the next morning I sent it. So the next morning now, this woman sent me a WhatsApp message like, no driver called me, stuff like that. So I had to call her and I lied that the driver's car spoiled in Ibadan. So that even they are still there in Ibadan right now, but that I just spoke with him. He said he's staying in Ibadan. Once they finish repairing the car, then they continue the journey. And it was early that morning. I just went to the park instead of the day before. So àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn máa ń wá lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan, but they are compulsory lie. Like not a lie that bad lie, but lie that the lie is compulsory lie. Thank you. Moving on. Name the body part that starts with B. Bombo. Is that a correct English place? Not correct. Okay. I'm going for Ori. Breast. Agba. Yes. Redo. When it comes to redo, what is always in front of you but can't be seen? Lobaton. No. Yes. Yes. Don't even look at me. I got it. Can you see? Can you see? And it's in front of me. Air that is blowing in my face. I got it. Oshe. My village people did not follow me here. Song Association, Oshe, Africa. Okay, Song Association, African. You are my African queen. Oh, girl of my dreams. Oshe, wale. Okay. Face. Níbí náà ni. Sáré fọ́ọ̀mù kan nísìn. Yes. Meet the latest artist in block. What is the name? This artist sitting down here. Peruzzi Tamira. Bẹ́ẹ̀. Yes, so we'll now form this one now with face. Baby face, baby, your face is so beautiful. I just wanna love you, baby. Yes, sir. But wait a minute. Let us fight this thing out now. I can decide to be an artist right now and release my own song. Yeah. Yes, this is a studio. What is the name of this place? Telly Studio. Oshe. I don't like it, but I'm not going to argue with you people. But honestly speaking, this drink is not meant to be. But I'll drink it like that. Thank you. Appreciation. Mo dúpẹ́ oníbù ọ̀rẹ́ bàbá bọ pẹ́ rẹ̀. Oh, appreciation. Àti ojútèké, I'm not drinking that tea. Forget it. 2/3, I pass. Yes, my village people did not follow me here. Okay. Family people, this wasn't that bad. So guys, make sure you go to YouTube, subscribe, like, and follow Telly Studios because you're gonna be seeing so many funny videos. Catch ya. Bye ya. Wrap it up. Thank you. I enjoyed it funny enough. Like when I flipped and I saw TAMIRAH, I said, we finish. It don't papuka be that. But funny enough, I enjoyed these questions though. They are actually very, very nice. Who said the question? Who? Auntie in green. Auntie, you are good though. You mix things up like different area of life. You just pack everything together. Like you're the one that normally sets all their questions, but you only set my own. But you wicked smart. But I like the angle of the question. Like there are not things that you would have thought of, because when coming here, when I watched Shola Amazon that you people were asking CPU, I said to open computer, computer or something. You get, but I didn't see anything relating to computer in my own. So you people, honestly speaking, you can't know what to expect. It's nice. I like the session. I enjoyed it. Like I even wanted it to prolong small, like just honestly, she didn't, because you don't know me. The way I will beg you, the way I will talk to you, you will even know that I don't fuck up.
So like lying in business is not bad.
No, the thing is that lying in business, Let me tell you the kind of lie you shouldn't do and what I tell people. There are some lies that you should never tell in business. Like from the onset, just be straightforward. If a customer contact me now and tell me, Tamira, I want a blue Ankara, and I don't have a blue Ankara, it will be wrong for me to send you a green Ankara. That's number one. Now, if I don't have a blue Ankara, I could have easily said, ma, I don't have a blue Ankara, but I can refer you to somebody that has blue. And I will refer you to that person. I do that a lot. But other way around, this is what people do. And that is what put them in trouble. They will now say, yes, I have blue Ankara. They will now order for that blue Ankara. Now you have paid, expecting delivery, right? I will now order for that blue Ankara from Kano. Motor will now spoil on the way. Ankara will not get to Ilorin. The Ankara that is supposed to land in Lagos eventually. At the end of the day, I've wasted 3 days. I'm still on story of it's coming. Then there are some unnecessary pressure that we shouldn't put ourselves in, and it's something like that. When you know that it's not something that is visible, just let it go.
What
like
I don't think they will. Like, it's something that you had called before, and then now happened. After you said from your onset.
When you meet with the customer, you know from the beginning of your conversation that this one is a troublemaker. So you just have to know how to manage that person from the onset. That's the time you need to wear your EI sleeve, your emotional intelligence sleeve, and be patient with that person. Because it doesn't mean that even though the customer is scoring, at the end of the day, it's your money you want to collect. So you cannot afford to be hungry or to say you are giving bad boost. You get my point? So you still just need to calm down very well to the person's level and have that conversation. Cut.